gentleman that lived in this house here, his name was Quaye, and he had a big sit-up and big bike, and he also had a vehicle in the garage up there. And then the Second World War come along, and he couldn't use his car, the vehicle, and over the period of time, a tree grew up in the middle of the drive there, and when the war finished, he was elderly and he couldn't drive, and he lived there for long years afterwards, and this tree got massive. And when he died, and obviously somebody else came in the house, they had to get special permission then to cut the tree down to get the vehicle out. That was a good yarn that went round about for a long time, yeah.